Hello again, and welcome back. Reason 19 for polishing your shoes. When you wear a pair of shoes, particularly like these, which are formal shoes really, the chances are you're going to meet someone who is important to you in some way. Whether you're going for a job interview, or meeting someone or some people at a formal occasion, might be a wedding, could be a funeral. I've worn these to all sorts of different occasions. But if they're scruffy, you will give a bad impression, and if they're not scruffy, if they're like this, you will give a good impression. And what you're doing in giving that good impression is you're showing respect. It's a thing that's lacking nowadays in lots of people. But if you show respect to the people around you, particularly if you're going to meet someone and you turn out nicely, you turned out well, anyone can see that you've put effort into your appearance. That level of respect is going to enhance their opinion of you, and that's important. I know it's fashionable to say, oh, I don't care what anybody thinks of me, I am what I am. No, you are what you are, but you will do better if people think better of you. You'll live a better life, you'll feel better, you'll be more comfortable, you'll feel better about yourself, and other people will like you. And that is, whether you like it or not, an important thing. So, reason 19, you're giving respect to those people that you're meeting by looking as good as you can. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me tomorrow and I'll give you reason 20.